representing Govt in Vengthlang High School from Aizawl District. Our focal theme is understanding ecosystem for health and wealth. And sub-theme is know your ecosystem. And our title of the project is study of ecosystem in Vengthlang cemetery. Ecosystem is a basic functional ecological, self-sustaining unit of biosphere. It consists of all living and non-living components of a particular area that interacted and exchanged materials with each other. An ecosystem consists of two main components or factors. Number one, biotic components. Biotic components are non-living components like soil, air, water, light, inorganic and organic compounds. Number two, biotic components. Biotic components are living components like plants, animals, and microorganisms. Bethlehem cemetery is located in the northeastern parts of Vengthlang in Aizawl city. It is used by Vengthlang and Vengthlang Jubilee corpses. It covers an area of 12.04 meter. In this cemetery, there are biotic components like plants, animals, and microorganisms, and there are abiotic components like soil, air, water in the form of vapors, and sunlight. The two components of ecosystems are interacted and dependent on each other. The benefits obtained from ecosystems are known as ecosystem services. These ecosystem services are important for our health and well-being. Hypothesis. The components of ecosystems present in the Vengthlang cemetery are interrelated and dependent on each other. There are different ecosystem services in this cemetery and they give us good health and well-being. Objectives. Number one, to identify the component of ecosystems present in the Vengthlang cemetery, and number two, to study the interrelationship between biotic and abiotic component of ecosystem. Number three, to study different ecosystem services present in the cemetery. Methodology and observations. Number one, identifications. We went to Vengthlang cemetery and the following are our observations. Particulars, observe or amount. Number one, in biotic components, number of trees is about 437, number of plant species are approximately 25, number of animal species are approximately 15, and number of microorganisms is currently unknown. Number of tombstone making count of trees, 1,825. Number two, abiotic components like soil, air, water, and sunlight are also present in the cemetery. Plants like kiang, valbe, and mo, etc. are also present in the cemetery, and their scientific names are also written. Animals present are grasshopper and butterfly, etc. Interview. According to our interview with Buddha in charge of Vengthlang cemetery, when there was a dead person, the member of every section of Young Mizzou Association used to dig the grave as priority. The member of Young Mizzou Association carefully managed the cemetery, and they always plant different types of trees in the cemetery area. They mark and label number on different trees for protecting the planted trees. Literature research. From our literature research, the following ecosystem services are obtained in the cemetery. Number one, provisioning services, and its functions are: number one, plants and animals are involved in food chain, so transfer of energy takes place. Number two, there are medicinal plants like Tlangsang, Sepanhlau, and Tuol, and so on. Tlangsang and Sepanhlau are used for anti-inflammations and antiseptic, etc. And Tuol are used for treating stomach ulcer, and Simbu contains many vitamin C, and this improves our immune system. And number two, regulating services. Regulating services and its functions are: number one, plants absorb carbon dioxide produced by vehicle, smoke, etc. so they purify air. Number two, due to transpiration process, water vapors are given off by the plants in the air, which is very important for the formations of rain. This also regulates temperatures and climate. Number three, as there are many plants in this cemetery, they help to increase groundwater. Number four, animals like insects in the cemetery help in pollinations. Number three, sociocultural services, and its functions is that it provides opportunities for recreation, spiritual, education, and cultural enrichment. Number four, supporting services, and its functions are: number one, the dead bodies of plants and animals increase the soil fertility. Number two, the vegetation cover improve the soil stabilities of the area and also prevent soil erosions. Number 3, nutrients are recycled. This is the result we get. From our research. Number 1, biotic and abiotic component of ecosystems are present in Bethlehem Vengthlang symmetry. Number 2, the two components of ecosystems are interrelated and dependent on each other. Number 3, there are many ecosystem services in this symmetry and they give us good health and well-being. Conclusions. As there are components of ecosystem in Bethlehem Vengthlang symmetry, the process of ecosystem is going on. This helps us to obtain different ecosystem services which are important for our health and well-being. Solution to the problems. Number 1, there is less air pollution due to the purifications of air. Number 2, we have very comfortable temperatures as they regulate temperatures and climate. Number 3, as corpses are buried, there is no air, water and soil pollution due to cremations. Number 4, the problems of finding place for recreation has been solved as the cemetery is a good place for recreations. Follow-up. Number 1, we have given an articles on our project to publish in Bethlehem local news bulletin. And in our research, we requested the local people to clean and beautify the cemetery, to conserve different species of plants and animals, and to avoid taking drugs in the cemetery. Number 2, research and write down the scientific names of all the plants in the cemetery. Number 3, we took photos of some animals in the cemetery. That's all for our project.